What computers can do that we can't is find patterns. And that's extremely important in a lot of different areas. So if you think about artificial intelligence or augmented intelligence, the idea is basically brain enhancement. It's trying to act like a human brain, but at hugely greater levels in terms of data processing. What we are looking at now for a lot of these technologies is, in terms of search, is how do you determine what intent of the search is? How do you know, without a reference interview, what the person entering the query into a search box really wants to know? This is quite difficult. If you're Google, you haven't really got a clue, although they say they do. If you are meeting someone face-to-face in your library, you have visual cues. You know sort of vaguely what age they are. Although I have to say, my public library just sent out a question asking me what my age was so that it could better tailor search results for me of books that I would be searching in the catalog. Thank you. That was my reaction. Like, you're not serious, are you? Apparently they were. Anyway, old-style search, you put in a word and the system searched that word. It was not creative. It did not build in synonyms for you, back office type work. It just thought you knew what you wanted. And as all of you know from working with other people, they often ask you things that aren't really what they want to know. They're the things that they think you can do, but they may not be what they actually want to know. So what happens with all of these artificial intelligence technologies? Do they have any creativity? That's an open question. What is the training set? And that is a very important question. And it has to do both with how do they determine what is a relevant answer, and it has to do with bias. If you train a search engine on a small set of biased documents, guess what? The results you get out of that engine are going to be biased. So you have to look at the size of the training set and what was in the training set.